As we enter the decade of action, companies urgently need to deliver sustainable innovations for a circular economy. But how can leading innovators consider a vast array of interrelated factors and understand their environmental footprint from end to end? Lifecycle assessment on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform helps you discover the total environmental impact of products, processes, and services, with contextual and reliable information for all. From raw materials to manufacturing and recovery, data is available from the earliest stages for designers and engineers to determine the best trade-offs and achieve measurable benefits. It's time to work together and empower your innovation teams to make smarter decisions fast. Put sustainable innovation at the heart of your business with the 3DEXPERIENCE platform.